Alrighty then, hello again my YouTube fans. This is another test. Now one of the things I did was I changed the type of file that it saves to from NKV or MK whatever it is, yeah, MKV to MP4. I made a couple other settings changes to the OBS software, and the reason why you're seeing my pendulum clock is because one of the things that was happening when I was playing with the software in the past is that the motion was freezing while the audio was okay. So instead of just the books to see if you can see the text very clearly, I also wanted to see if the motion was being jittery and things like that. And the best way to do that is to simply put a pendulum in front of the camera and see what happens. Also, the pausing caused major problems with that same subject. That is, when I paused the video to do something on, off camera and then come back and, try to pre-edit sort of, because I don't do any editing, my videos are generally raw. So I used to use pause a lot to, do different things in my video. So when I did that in the recent past with this computer, it totally destroyed the video, and there was actually a test video that I decided to just leave up there, and apologizing to you for not having the whole video in there because I had to cut it. So here we go. I'm going to pause it now. You're not going to see any difference. You're just going to hear me come back and tell you that I unpaused it. So I'm pausing it now, and I unpaused it, and let's see what happens now. In the past, this caused a whole jittery thing, and I'm just blabbering right now, watching the pendulum and on my screen. When I play this back, hopefully it'll be okay. So I'm going to do it again, pausing it and unpausing it. Now I noticed I'm looking at the bottom of the screen. The CPU usage is really high. It's like 77, 78, 75%, 81. So this is tasking this computer extremely, which I really maybe I should set the speed up a little bit so that it doesn't task the CPU. But we'll see what happens first. I can see my mouse cursor showing the hourglass. Yeah, well, we're going to try this one first, and then if this doesn't work, we're going to do one more settings change. I just saw a flicker. I wonder why. Okay, well, here we go. I'm stopping it.